So there you are, you've gone out, you've bought yourself a nice set of cassettes, you've got yourself a nice cassette player, and you put the cassette in without any provocation. It just decides it's going to make your day a mess. It's going to actually horrify you and destroy your total confidence. What's it going to do? It's going to done. And it does this. I have seen tapes like the first one, but this is more normally what you get. So what do you do about it? First bit of advice, never put in a new device a tape that you are concerned about, as in you've got some sort of value for. Because if you've got a tape that is of value it. Don't put it in anything you don't know about. If you've got a brand new cassette player, if it's one of these cheap Chinese ones, be careful. If it's one of the more expensive ones, then you could be all right. But always test it with the tape you're not fussed about, because they can go wrong. They can get damaged in transit. When you've got the cassette player and you put the tape in and it's not working right and it's chewed it up, well, that's life. If it's brand new, send it back. If it's not brand new, you're going to have to do some work on it. Now, if your tapes are good to start with, you shouldn't have a problem with them being chewed, except for if you've got muck around the pinch roller, the capstan and the heads. These bits here. That's the capstan there, that's the pinch roller. They're the two bits most likely to cause a problem. That's your record playback head and that's your erase head. And if you've got muck around there, clean them off with Q-tips or with cotton buds or whatever you want to call them. But they're the little cotton buds on it. Be careful because they have a habit of shedding. So make sure you get all of the cotton bud off the head and off the pinch roller and off the capstan. But make sure it's all nice and shiny and you should be okay. The only other thing to do is make sure that these two spools here, you've got a thing that's going around and here you've got a thing that's going around. Those must be working. If they're not working, that's why your tape's being chewed. If when you look at your pinch roller, it looks like this, that's partly your problem. They should look like this, metal middled or plastic middled. It shouldn't make a difference, but they should be nice and square looking. So if it's brand new, send it back, and if it's not, then you're going to have to find somebody who can fix it for you. There are videos on my channel, and there's a few other videos on other channels that will help you. If you just look up what the problem is, and you'll be able to find a video that will actually give you the answers. Running a cassette deck isn't difficult. You just have to be a little bit observant. But always test before you put in anything that's of value. It's as simple as that. If you've got anything out of this video, then please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you another time. Thank you. Bye-bye.